budgeteers, not birds.
Welcome to Budgeteers. On today's program, we'll be showing you how to budget for schoolies. Sad, isn't it? This is what happens if you don't budget for schoolies. And welcome to the show, Budgeteers, Dr. Zeus and Rankle.
Well, thank you, Charlene. Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's a pleasure. Now, I hear you're a researcher at Schoolies Week.
Yes, I've actually been looking at schoolies for the past 10 years or so, and I've found that the ones that budget tend to save more money, whereas others just kind of waste their time and just don't have a memorable experience. So I've actually found some comparisons that could help with the research that you're showing today. Jamie and Sarah.
Oh, how interesting. Now, could you please tell our audience here what happens to students that don't budget?
They tend to just have a really crappy time. So I'll be showing you my two case studies, Sarah and Jamie. Sarah did budget for schoolies, while Jamie didn't.
It's understandable.
Yeah.
Thank you. So Sarah, can you please tell us how you budgeted for schoolies?
Yes, I started budgeting at the start of the year.
And Sarah, how has that influenced your schoolies experience?
Well, I didn't have to worry about money because I had already saved up. So, yeah, I can focus on having fun.
Oh yeah, stepping something on the way here.
So Jamie, how did you budget for schoolies?
Budgeting? What's that?
You know, budgeting?
I didn't take a bird with me to schoolies.
So how did not saving money for schoolies impact your time?
Oh, I had a sick time, man. It was awesome. I went to this club, I drank, and then I got picked up by the coppers.
But Jamie, how did you afford this without budgeting?
Oh, I just bummed off everyone else. I just took the change in my pockets, man.
Where did you stay? What was your accommodation?
A what?
Where did you sleep?
Oh, a park bench, man.
Thank you, Jamie, for your time.
Good morning, class. Stop that laughing, young lady. Now, for today's class on budgeting. Budgeting is very important. Now that you've settled down, I have some questions to ask you. Now, this will help you with your travels at schooling. Now, can someone tell me what budgeting is?
Miss, pick me.
Beatrice?
Budgeting is when you shave money.
Good work. Jamie, do you have anything?
Budgeting is when money is saved.
Please, Beatrice, be quiet.
Budgeting's when money's saved, miss.
Oh, you girls are hopeless. Okay. Moving on. Now, what do you have planned for schoolies?
I'm not going to schoolies. Gosh. I'm saving my money for a jazz camp.
Well, that's very cool. Very interesting. What about you, Jamie?
I can't tell you. I'd have to kill you.
Right, well, I'm not planning on dying soon, so keep it to yourself. Can you please get your work out from the previous lesson? Please, Beatrice. Schoolies is very important, as is budgeting. Now, if you don't budget, you'll find yourself in a wee mess. I'm telling you, you don't know kids these days. They're terrors, they are. I'll do anything to get attention.
Now, that concludes our episode on Budgeteers on budgeting for schoolies.
Listen up, y'all, because this is it. The numbers I'm writing are so vicious.
Mathematicians expeditions can be kind of scary.
Beatrice, please!
Run!
Hello,